Today we unveiled our underground oasis called Loo Gardens. It's created to symbolise the healthier future of the River Thames.
We've had an opportunity to open the tunnel to a different range of people and audiences to come down, have a look at this piece of secondary line tunnel which is now completed at Kirtling Street in Vauxhall. And we've created a very special installation which talks about the ecology around the river.
Some of the plants you'll see in the garden are actually native to the banks of the River Thames, and it pays tribute to the positive environmental impact that the super seal will have on the river by preventing millions of tonnes of sewage going into it each year. The garden is an immersive installation. You'll be able to hear the sounds of the birds. It has river tides in the background as well, and there's also a scent that you can smell when you come down to really create that immersive oasis feeling.
This is so incredible! The garden is exquisite. I've never seen anything like that. It's beautiful, it's unbelievable.
Incredible, very cool, very fun.
It's an amazing surprise. It really brings together both sides of the greenery, and obviously we're cleaning up the river.
I think this really emphasised what we're trying to do here on the project. Yeah, this has completely blown me away.
I won a time-out competition to come and see the Loo Gardens, and it's blown me away. The size of the tunnel is massive. I just can't quite get over that. Like, you feel like a little ant in something so big.
I did the same as everyone else I've seen, which is you first see it and you can't help but say, wow. If I'm honest, I was quite emotional when I was down there. It really touched me. This really is what this has been all about. Yes, the big public realm spaces, they'll be there forever, but so will a cleaner river, and that's why we came here. Our whole team, as always, have let their imaginations run riot, and I think it's paid dividends.
We wanted to do a garden. It was different. We haven't seen a garden underneath the Thames or under the water before, and it just really spoke to us.
It says a lot about Tideway, if I'm honest. Slightly playful, slightly mischievous.
It's almost like I'm in Jumanji.
It's had its challenges, but everyone's been working together very hard. We've been working with agencies, we've been working with the site here at Kirtling Street just to really piece it together.
We have staff coming from different sections of the project to celebrate the fact that testing will be starting next year and how far the project has come.
Just less than a year away from when the river starts to become clean, so it's a really exciting time for everyone on the project.
Very exciting, but also sad because our jobs are coming to an end.
It has been an amazing project to be on, and it's sad that it's coming to an end, but it's also on the other side, it's great that we're achieving what we planned to achieve.
It's sad to know that it's almost over. However, we knew it was a project, so it was going to end at a point of time. So it's like a celebration at the same time because everyone, they've worked together to achieve this amazing milestone.
Projects are temporary by their nature, and those that work on projects are used to that. They know it's a fact, they know they have to move on to another project, but it's always emotional, inevitably. You've worked very closely with people.
I'm excited for what's next for everyone on the project and also what's next for London.
Here we have our man rider, and it's taking a group of Tideway staff who have been down to look at the tunnel this morning. It's come from 55 metres below ground, not for the faint of heart, but it's fine, it's very safe and everyone really enjoys it.
So visiting today, you can see real progress being made, and the end is tangible, and the impact it'll have on the River Thames, making it cleaner, enabling the fish to thrive, and therefore more people flocking to the Thames is something really to celebrate.
With the ecological and health benefits that the project brings, it's an example of a vital infrastructure upgrade to a global modern city, and one that will make London a more resilient and cleaner city for the future.
It's easy to think of the journey of Tideway as the construction journey, and probably the right way to think about it is the journey actually is just about to start. It's a journey of the river, it's a journey of the environment, and it's a journey of how nature can flourish if we look after it.